91.
91.
91.
Subordonné avec que, un.
Subordinate clauses, that, one.
Subordinate clauses. That. One.
Le temps sera probablement meilleur demain.
Perhaps the weather will get better tomorrow.
Perhaps the weather will get better tomorrow.
D'où le savez-vous?
How do you know that?
How do you know that?
J'espère qu'il sera meilleur.
I hope that it gets better.
I hope that it gets better.
Il viendra certainement.
He will definitely come.
He will definitely come.
Est-ce que c'est sûr?
Are you sure?
Are you sure?
Je sais qu'il viendra.
I know that he'll come.
I know that he'll come.
Il appellera certainement.
He'll definitely call.
He'll definitely call.
Vraiment?
Really?
Really?
Je crois qu'il appellera.
I believe that he'll call.
I believe that he'll call.
Le vin est probablement vieux.
The wine is definitely old.
The wine is definitely old.
En êtes-vous certain?
Do you know that for sure?
Do you know that for sure?
Je suppose qu'il est vieux.
I think that it is old.
I think that it is old.
Notre chef est beau.
Our boss is good looking.
Our boss is good looking.
Vous trouvez?
Do you think so?
Do you think so?
Je trouve même qu'il est très beau.
I find him very handsome.
I find him very handsome.
Le chef a certainement une amie.
The boss definitely has a girlfriend.
The boss definitely has a girlfriend.
Le croyez-vous vraiment?
Do you really think so?
Do you really think so?
C'est bien possible qu'il ait une amie.
It is very possible that he has a girlfriend.
It is very possible that he has a girlfriend.